Structure of the Arduino demo sketch. It will start with a comment block which will provide the Arduino sketch name and some description. The first statement will be an include of the debounce function, which is in the debounce header file. I've stored it in a separate location, so I will be including the file path of the debounce header file. Some initialized global variables which are related to the digital I/O pins I'm using in my sketch. Then there will be a void setup function which will set up the pin mode of the used pins and set up the serial communication. The loop block will have two lines which are related to the push button debounce function and calling it, and then executing the Arduino sketch related code if the push button is truly pressed. This is the basic circuit setup that I will be using in the Arduino sketch. It is explained in one of my earlier videos, so please refer to it. It has one push button switch whose input is given to the digital pin number 2. I'm using 4 LEDs and one buzzer which are connected to digital pins D3 to D7, and these digital pins are configured as output in my Arduino sketch. The basic circuit setup related code in the Arduino sketch is in the beginning. You will see the include statement, then some integer variable setup. The number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 relate to the digital pin numbers which are used in the Arduino sketch. So digital pin number 2 is used as for the button pin, 3 for LED 1, 4 for LED 2, 5 for LED 3, 6 for LED 4 and 7 for the buzzer. They are all integer kind of variables. Then the setup function is coded, and this setup function runs once on board power on. The first statement is related to establishing the serial communication, and then the pin modes of the digital I/O pins are configured. The button pin is set up as input, whereas all the LED pins and the buzzer pin is set up as output. It will wait in the setup function until the serial port connected to the PC is ready for serial communication. There is a small while loop which is created there with a delay in terms of microseconds, and it will continue to execute this loop until the serial communication is established. This is the Arduino sketch demonstrating the for loop statement. In this demo, on a button press, all 4 LEDs on the basic circuitry will blink 5 times. Then the buzzer will beep 3 times. Then after all the LEDs and the buzzer will be turned off until the button is pressed the next time. Then this loop will be repeated again. So going through the code in my demo sketch, the first thing is I include the debounce header file to call the debounce function, as I'm using a push button switch. Some global variables related to the digital I/O pins, and my LEDs and the button are connected to these digital I/O pins. The setup loop function run once when the button is pressed, and it sets up the serial communication and configures the Arduino pins as input or output kind of pins. Then the loop code executes continuously, and it checks whether the push button switch is truly pressed using the debounce function. When it is determined that the push button switch is truly pressed, it enters into this if block, and then I have two for loops inside this block. In the first for loop, I set the integer variable I equal to 0, and it will stay in iterating, means it will keep iterating this for loop until I is less than or equal to 4, and then after each iteration it will keep on incrementing the integer variable I. So basically it will iterate once. In the very first iteration I will have a value of 0, second time it will have 1, third time I will be 2, then 3, then 4. When I is equal to 4, now since I is equal to 4, that will be the last time this loop will be executed. So in this loop I am first turning on by sending a high, doing a digital write of 1 to all the LED pins, and then after a delay of 300 milliseconds I will be turning off these LEDs by writing a low to this digital IO pins. Again there will be a delay of 300 milliseconds. There will be some serial output so that I can show it to you on the serial monitor. After this for loop, the first for loop is executed for the LED blinking. I will be executing a second for loop. In this for loop, I start with a higher, initializing the variable I with a higher value like number 2. And this block will stay while the value of I is greater than or equal to 0. And I'm decrementing the value of I after each iteration. So I will have a value of 2, then 1, and then 0. And each time means it will go through this loop 3 times, and the buzzer will beep 3 times. Each time the buzzer will be on for 500 milliseconds and then turn off for 500 milliseconds. Okay, all this will be output on the serial monitor output. So I have already downloaded the sketch to my Arduino board, and now I'm going to press the button and we can observe the output on the serial monitor. So button is pressed, so the lights are blinking 5 times and the beep has happened 3 times. After all this is executed, the LEDs are off and the buzzer is also off, and I can press the button again, and again the loop repeats itself as this loop function is continuously executing. Thank you for watching this demo. Thank you. This is the Arduino demo for the for loop statements. I'm pressing the button for the Arduino board to begin executing the sketch. So you observed that the LEDs blinked 5 times and the buzzer beeped 3 times. I'm going to do it again. Thank you for watching this video.